हाँ नहीं आपका काम की नहीं है। देखा ना आपको अंदर महल में घूमो और आपको फोटो को
शीश महल
आपकी फोटो वीडियो
नाहरगढ़ शीश महल
है
1.8 तक
अपना काम की this angle, and they charge a high amount from them.
चल आगे चलो
इस साइड यानी किसी साइड
One foreigner, one Indian.
वन फोर
Guide.
गाइड है
टोपी पहन लाइट
उधर नहीं गए ना हैं
तो रुकोगे तो कुछ करूँगा। आगे जा रहे हो भागे जा रहे हो पागलों की तरह।
So the place is known as Nahargarh to the king. We are making again and again, but it gets distracted. I don't know why. So king has sent all the army to see, take care of all that. They have made it in the night and distracted. So the king has taken the assistants. He went to queens.
Okay.
So as per 9 planet, one queen. 9 planet, 9 queen. So here are apartments for 9 queens and apartment Madhav Singh as well.
Okay.
These all are the new apartment as it is made in 18th century, around 80. Around the palace was made by him. So looks very new to you. But here is an architectural combination that is very nice.
Okay.
That is the place that are on the ground
Yeah.
are the place for the winter season.
Okay.
And the place that are on the first building floor that are for the summer season. So here you will notice the Persian art as well.
Okay.
How the Persian art, they used to go over there, they used to see how the places are and how the houses are. So they implant the chimney pattern in the houses that are on the ground. So the ground apartments are for the different. All the apartments are similar. So we will see 1, 2 apartments of downside and 1, 2 apartments of the upside. Please come. Italy that is famous for the glass quality, colorful glass quality. The best colorful glass, the colorful glass best quality comes from Murano. You should have seen the Hawa Mahal, and in Hawa Mahal you have seen the colorful glasses. So all they were imported from Murano that time. So the glass you are watching the Murano glass. What is the beauty of it? If you see it from outside, look like the normal glass, but when you see it from inside, it will look like the stones are shining. So, as I said, 9 apartments for 9 suites are here. So, what was the arrangement of them? The outer rooms that you have just seen outside. Ceiling made. And here is the guest room, who is also from the royal family. Also, guests also used to come here to meet them. So, there are rooms. This is the room. Guest can live in a particular area. And yes. And here are lamps, दिया और lamps वगैरह डाले जाते थे और इसमें अपना सामान स्टोर करके रख सकते थे. वैसे सामान के लिए जो गेस्ट का जो सामान है उसके लिए डिफरेंट रूम होता है. And here you will notice the chimney pattern. Chimney we install in our house right now. So here is the kitchen. Here is the personal kitchen. Food for all used to be prepared in a common
This is kitchen.
But suppose any queen goes to eat his personal dish of his territory. So the maids and servants used to make in the personal kitchen. So here you notice the chimney pattern. This is the chimney of that time. So the smoke will go outside by the chimney from there. And here is the shelf for placing the masala and some other thing.
Like a pantry.
And when you see the gates, it looks like the English below. This type of gate you see in old London Library.
Yeah.
18th century.
ये wood कहाँ से लेकर आए थे?
ये wood भी जो है वो इंग्लैंड से ही
इंग्लैंड से?
हाँ, इंग्लैंड में आपको इसी पैटर्न के
There's a
दरवाजे.
beautiful library in Manchester called John Rylands Library, and the wood was brought from Portugal. Portuguese government. Yeah.
और ये वाले जो wood है ये इंग्लैंड से import किए गए. इस साइड पे वॉशरूम होते थे लाइक दिस ओल्ड इंडियन स्टाइल.
Yeah.
तो इनके नीचे बहुत बड़ा टैंक होता था. तो
Yeah.
इस टाइप के होते थे. दिस इज फॉर द वेंटिलेशन. और जो बाथरूम होते थे नॉर्मल वो अलग होते थे. आप कभी भी इस टाइप के बाथरूम पैटर्न आप कोई भी गांव में जाओगे.
Yeah.
गांव में जो छोटे फ्लोर बने होते हैं
अच्छा.
वहाँ पे आप इस टाइप के दिख जाते हैं. This is to place the lamp light here, mashallah. So you can have the lighting as well.
ये नहाने का
हाँ, नहाने का और बाथरूम. And main living
living room.
As well, Persian art. So they used to spend the time in the winter season as well. Or you can say mostly time, not only in the winter, most of the time. Around 9, 10 they used to spend the time that are on the ground. So as this is the living room, makeup room is also connected with that.
Yeah.
This used to be a makeup room. Mirror as well. But some people destructed the mirror. और ये होते थे लैंप लाइट या मशाल रखने के लिए. So when the queen is doing the makeup, वो उनको proper lighting वगैरह भी मिलती है.
Original glass था ना?
Yes, the Morano glass. And here you will notice an astrological pattern as well. The pattern is as the direction is the negative direction. Negative direction. जो भी negativity यहाँ पे है, upside is the Ganpati, this right side Ganpati. We believe a lot in astrology and astronomy. और ये रूम होता था ladies, रानी have a lot of dresses. That रानी has a lot of dresses. And the dresses are known as पोशाक. This is the room for the पोशाक.
पोशाक का version नाम है?
पोशाक, हाँ पोशाक लफ्ज़ है.
Yeah.
जो साड़ी और इस टाइप के होते हैं ना, उसको
Yeah.
पोशाक बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
ये हैंगर्स वगैरह भी हुआ करते थे पोशाक टांगने के और यहाँ पे अपने शहर से जाओ.
Oh, look at that pigeon. Pigeon है का? Sundayaka. Pigeons are very fun.
बेचारे कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाते. नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाते हैं कोई को. पर कई लोग उनको जबरदस्ती परेशान करते हैं.
Yeah, the pigeons.
मेरे ख्याल से दोनों नाम से लेकर
No. Yeah, they get worried about them. But they're so clever. They were so big for world wars. And then they just sort of people started to see these pests. Then they hurt them, they killed them, you know, all of those sorts of things. But they're so clever, pigeons.
and the color as you can see here we see the golden vegetable color as it is made in 18th century. It looks very new.
That's beautiful. Luscious name.
Si son casi iguales todos. Here I will click one photo first.
Yeah.
Here. Come in the middle of the window. Yes. एक सेकंड में विंडो को क्लोज कर देना और अच्छे से
Yeah, but it will just be a shadow now.
मस्त है